Welcome to Dr. Imran's official. In today's video we'll discuss the quadriceps strengthening exercise. Lay on your back. Place a rolled up towel or a small foam roller beneath the knee. Activate the thigh muscles in order to straighten the knee and hold the contraction for 5 seconds. Release. Repeat 10 times on each side. Strengthening and toning your quads can help improve the stability of your knee, reduce your risk of knee injuries, improve your athletic performance, and make everyday movements easier to do.